Hi, my name is Donell Bryant. I'm the director and lead instructor over the Barbering Concepts program here at Craven Community College. Behind me, what's happening is we are getting a new facility built for the barbering school here at Craven Community College. All right, and so we should be having a nice, state-of-the-art facility coming soon. At this point, up until now, we've been sharing with the cosmetology department, and usually our day starts at 1 o'clock, and we're in the classroom until 4. We take an hour lunch, and then we are in the practical area because we can't cross areas with cosmetology and barbering being in the same place. So we have to wait until cosmetology leave at 5 o'clock before we can enter into the practical area. I say the greatest thing is we've been working with 30% of a real barber school for like the last 9-10 years. And now we're getting ready to have 100% of a real barber school. And that's going to change the dynamics as far as how we're able to educate further into demonstrations, bring in other barbers and stylists and other professionals here to have a place where we can actually have these settings to learn more and expose the students to more things that's in the barbering industry. We're going to have 16 barber chairs, stations, and we're going to have 20 seats for the students. We can have 20 students for every one instructor, and we right now are at max capacity. And we're normally at maximum, especially our full-time class, we stay at maximum capacity. And that's without any kind of marketing or advertising. We will be able to have more classes. We'll be able to have more convenient times. It's going to happen, like I say, more outside classes that we would be able to extend to other barber professionals that's in the industry already. We'll be able to offer, the instructors training course, along with other different services that we provide. It's going to be a great step for the community because they've been supporting us already, but I would feel that with more marketing and advertising, we really can bring the community in. We just been dealing with the word of mouth through the community, but now that we can really advertise and market a place specifically for the barbers, we can bring more of the community in, and then more of the community I think is going to support us, as well as the students here on the campus, student and educators. I'm going to go ahead and give you a walkthrough. All right, this area here. This area is going to be our practical area where we have the barber stations, the sinks. That's where all the work can go in. As far as the practical hands-on work, this is going to go down in this area. This area that we're standing in here is going to be basically the classroom demonstration area. It'll be, like I say, a multi-purpose area that we'll be using it for both. This area here, we're going to have more so the lobby area where we'll be bringing the clients in. They can, wait until it's time for their services. Over here, the area that's framed up, this is where, my office and the part-time instructor office will be in this area here that they already have framed up. Over here, in this room here, well, you see they got work going in there, so we're not going to go in there. But in this room here, we will have our dispensary area. And that will be the area where all of the students will be able to get the different supplies and things that they need to do the different services that they provide. It will be finished. I think they said the timeline would be somewhere around in March, no later than April. We would actually be facilitating in here come May. And the May semester, I think that'll be like around our fall semester, is when we'll be coming in, and that's when we'll be actually coming into area to work. That's when we'll be coming in to work. It's happening. It's happening. So I'm grateful that it's happening. I'm ready to expand our program and take it to the next level.